Hi there, welcome to the Python Mastery Crash Course for Beginners. I'm Gorret Golden. In this comprehensive session, you'll embark on an exciting journey to master the fundamentals of Python programming step by step. So let's begin by understanding what will be covered in this crash course. Firstly, I'll introduce Python to you and explore its wide-ranging applications in today's world. Whether you're interested in web development, data science, or automation, Python has something for everyone. Next, I'll guide you through setting up Python on your computer. I'll walk you through the installation process step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to start coding right away. After that, we'll dive into the basics of Python syntax and data types. We will also cover operators. We will then explore control flow statements, the if-else conditions, and loops, as these are essential for controlling the flow of your program and making decisions based on conditions. We will also cover data structures like lists and dictionaries and how to manipulate them efficiently. Moving forward, we will dive into functions and modules. You will learn how to create reusable code blocks with functions and organize your code into modules for better structure and readability. In addition, you'll also learn the principles of object-oriented programming, where we shall look at classes, objects, inheritance, and many more. Later on, we shall learn how to work with files and error handling. Throughout the course, we'll have plenty of hands-on coding exercises to reinforce what you will have learned, and these exercises are designed to solidify your understanding and build your confidence in Python programming. Finally, we will tie everything up together and build a simple Python project from scratch. This project will integrate all the concepts that we shall have covered, giving you a practical application of your newfound skills. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid foundation in Python programming and be ready to tackle more advanced topics with confidence. So if you're excited about this course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any of my upcoming videos.